And what I wanted to start with is actually a broad overview of this field of material discovery and design, and really highlighting how important are what I call the digital infrastructure that support this entire activity. So let me actually start in very general ways about what is happening in the world today. And I suppose many of you might be actually too young to recognize these next two slides. But for those that have been in a library before, this is a stalwart of knowledge, the Encyclopedia Britannica. And these days, I think, sadly, very, very few people are using actually a printed encyclopedia to look for what they are searching for. And this is another example